So apparently tonight we're playing King of the Hill. Go Kermie go! Go Kermie go! He said, this is my place. He's gonna like the slide if you still got one, guys. You're going the wrong way. Who is that? Is that Beak Beak? Go this way. Go this way. Go that way. Are you King of the Hill? Kermie was sitting there and Scooter came and pushed him off. Let's see if he does it again. Here he comes. Oh, he just wants to lay with him? Well, isn't that cute? Isn't that sweet? You guys are so funny. They were playing crazy. It's funny because Annie and Fozzie sleep together. These three are always together, which they look alike. Scylla, Scooter, and Summer. And then Gonzo and Miss P are right here. Miss P actually likes Scylla. They're really good friends. And Summer's usually a lot with Annie. And then these two play, which is Kermie and Beaker. I think it's Beaker. Wait. Who's that? Oh, that's Rowlf. Rowlf's chewing right now on the rope. Rowlf kind of plays by himself, but sometimes he'll play with Scylla. Oh, he's going to hide under there. I think you're too big for that, buddy. He's going the wrong way, Kerm. What's he doing? Digging? Go under there. Go under there, Kermie. Can you fit? Scylla can. Look at these two.
Covering up those sharp angle shots. I mean, he's a guy that's really flexible and he's got tremendous size. I think it's going to be about trying to find second chance opportunities.
Starting to settle down. Are you guys getting close to being ready for bed? It's about that time. Somebody's in the water. What are y'all doing? Hey, hey, hey. Not so rough. They're not really being rough, but just in case. Oh, it's pass out time, I guess. Is it pass out time? Miss B? Miss B? Miss B? B, B. B. She said yes. Scooter. Scooter. Scylla. Summer. Summer love. Kermie. Kerm. Kermie. Kermie. Rowlf. Rowlf. Oh, Rowlf's being crazy now. He's gonna get Kermie's foot. Ah! Kermie says stop! Kermie says stop, Rowlf. Rowlf, don't bite his foot. That's not nice. What are your babies doing? She's a hot mess. Well, we're going to take them in now. I just wanted to show you all the slide playing. Rowlf, what are you doing? Are you on Kermie? Do you like that, Kermie? Is that okay? I guess you're having fun too. Okay. You guys are being gentle. That's good. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, get your rope. Here, Rowlf. Rowlf. Hey, 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 hey. Woo woo. There. Get that. There you go. That's fun. Summer. Summer love. Look at him. He's so funny. Rowlf, are you being a late night playtimer tonight? That's odd. You got the zoomies? You got the zoomies? You got the zoomies. Rowlf got the zoomies. He hopped like a little bunny. He's so cute. Hey, Rowlf! You got the zooms! Oh, how cute are you? Hi! Hi! See, you just make me laugh, you guys. You wild. Get him. That's Miss P. He's like, who will play with me? Nobody? Nobody. How about you? Oh, that's Miss P. Me? Oh, okay. Hi. 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 I'll play with you. Here. Here. Whee! Get it. Get it, Rowlf. You're being funny. Do you like the lightning? Is that what it is? Do you like the lightning game? Water time. So cute. Love you guys. It's time to go in now. Rowlf wore himself out, I think. Say good night. Sleep tight.